Alrighty, and so we begin showing Clinch Park from above as we start our ascension upwards. Get a good nice view of the area. Looking downwards. And of course we're making our slow overview shot of the main Clinch Park area. Of course I'm trying to avoid all trees at all possible. Anyways, here is the main area with which everything occurs. Yep, there's a little playground there, water and all that good stuff. Then over to the right we have the beach area. As you can tell, nice little beach and what have you. And here's the other angle of Clinch Park's little playground area. We little people running all around. So yeah, here's the full playground from this view. It's a nice little spot. And then over here we have where you can buy food and drinks, and then of course the beach beyond that. And so we slowly go over here. As you can tell, this is a pretty nice area compared to West Bay Beach. Although they don't have volleyball courts over here, but that's okay. Most of the time you don't go to the beach to play volleyball anyways. And of course just kind of spanning, showing around the area. And there's restrooms in this area as well. And zoom all the way back over to me. Whee! Alrighty. And so that is a quick showing of Clinch Park and the beach next to it. Spinneroony, and bring it back to me. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Enjoy. Hope you liked the little preview. Okay. So now we have the open space. Now this isn't going to be anything too extensive because I've done videos here a lot, but they got a few pride flags going on, so why not? Plus I just wanted to fly my drone real fast. And we have a group of kids over there, some more over there. And here we go. Getting a small little observation, the small little changes that they're doing for Pride Month. They got some flags here at the open space. And then, of course, fly like a beast to the circular area. And turn around. Okay. So there I am in the far distance, and here we come back. Whee! Probably doesn't look too fast on video here, but in reality that was actually going really fucking fast. Anyways, and down I go, and here I am. Alrighty, well, that ends that. Magical power stop.